Meet Gary, a truck driver for a commercial moving company. Gary has been having pain in the back radiating down his left leg, associated with tingling and numbness. His posture was bent to the left side, and he was not able to perform his daily activities. Having seen several experts for treatment and left disappointed. That's until he learned about Complete Orthopedics, a unique group of dedicated orthopedic surgeons and staff who take care of varied orthopedic injuries. Our experts offer a wide range of services, including spine surgeries, hip and knee replacements, shoulder and knee arthroscopic surgeries, minimal invasive surgeries, and sports medicine with the perfect blend of expertise and experience. We treat you like family. We ensure you get the most personalized and compassionate care you'll ever experience. We offer services across a number of hospitals, and we work independently. Gary is back to the job in just a few weeks and is feeling more energetic and pain-free than ever. For any of our services or inquiries, just book an appointment today and let us take care of the rest.